How to Storio, how to Storio.
How to add music and sound effects in interactive story. Hi creators, welcome to Storio. Great storytelling is all about setting the mood and drawing readers in. Let's add some music and sound effects to your interactive story. Hover over the part of your story where you want to add sound. You'll see two buttons pop up: Add background music and Add sound effect. For background music, you can browse by emotion or genre, like epic, romantic, scary, or upbeat. Or just use the search box. Type in keywords like jazz, dreamy, or piano to find the perfect vibe. Once you select Use Background Music, the music will start playing when the player reaches that point in your interactive story. Let's try the one I picked and see if it matches the sad mood.
Splitting a Sunday at McDonald's, huh? Talk about living the high life.
It works great. You can also choose to stop the music at a specific moment by selecting Stop Background Music. If you don't set a stop point, the music will continue playing until the end of the chapter. For sound effects, it's all about adding detail: footsteps, knocking, thunder, water splashing, you name it. You can browse by category or search for something specific. It may seem small, but trust me, it totally elevates your interactive story to another level. Need to stay consistent? Open your Used in this story tab to see what you've used before. And if you find something you love, hit the heart icon to save it to your favorites for quick access later. Let's try adding this door opening effect to the scene. Wow, it really adds to the atmosphere and makes the moment feel more real. With just a few clicks, your story now has a full soundtrack. Go make it sound amazing.